is another thing I just loved about Reclaim when I first saw it. Is like it'll split the time and be like, look, you need to do this for 2 hours. You had the 2 hour block, but now I've got it as 2 separate hours, and those go from free to defended. And I was just like, these are the reasons that I was like, nobody else does that. Nobody else has that. I am incredibly strict about the types of meetings and what I will do. One of the things I really enjoyed about Reclaim is something that I like, but I feel like other people don't quite know it's there, is the little indicator of free or the shield for defense. I need to review the tickets my team have produced. I need to review what has come in over email. I need to review, the status of clients for right now. And I can just create those kind of habits and those types of things. But when I was looking for it, I was like, all right, is there a tool out there that can help me do that? Because what I don't want to do is spend all of my time just dragging the little cards around. So I started with the intent of trying the time blocking. I ended up really kind of preferring your metaphor, which were these like habits. I like that it has a little free indicator, meaning if people look at it and see that, they should be able to say, all right, I know he's got time set aside, but it's something I can interrupt. I've gotten back to this idea that there's like these 3 statuses. It's like do not disturb, totally free, and something in between. During that week, things flow a lot for me. So what's one of the reasons I like Reclaim is, Monday gets blown up because some client has a big issue, or we get a huge opportunity that we have to follow up on, and suddenly there goes Thursday and Friday. I tend to be somebody who likes doing things in fewer tools. And while that normally would make me feel like, all right, I want an everything app, it's only if it does everything well. And I've never found one that did it well. So like a single place for a calendar, that to me is Reclaim.